display, whether near or far ahead. The need remains the same, communicate. We must connect, try to relate, and keep the signals clear, communicate. Sound the drum, flash the light, sign the message out, communicate. Whether near or far ahead, the need remains the same, communicate.
Paige and Elijah have been learning about how people have communicated over distances through the years. They already learned about Samuel Morse. He turned the alphabet into a code of short and long signals. These signals could be made with light or sound, and eventually with electricity, sent along wires. That's how the telegraph was invented. Elijah thinks it would be fun to have other codes just for the exploration station. So they decide to add to their classroom code with some messages they need every day in the lab. Like, clean up the lab, says Elijah. They all agree, and Mr. Howard suggests that Elijah make up this code. How about this? Code for clean up the lab. Great idea, says Mr. Howard, and they practice it together.